Good afternoon, Anshul. Welcome to HEX Star interview. Personally, I'm so happy and so excited to see you here. I very clearly remember when we were filling our goal sheet on 6th of April and which got finalized on 9th of April. We were filling up what is that you want to achieve in this program. And we also promised that you will want to get featured on HEX Star interviews. And today is the day. So I am personally very excited and very curious for you to share how has been the program experience for you in the last 10 weeks.
Yeah, good afternoon, Vineet. I can just carry on for hours and hours and hours of experience because that is something which I, even during the program, when you ask all the students to define the program in one word, if you remember, I still told that it is unbelievable. And I am true to my commitment. Still, one single word for the entire program is unbelievable. Unbelievable means that I don't believe that a person like me in super three digits, shedding up weight without even doing some fasting, not even losing energy, my vitality scores have come down. But for me, one single word, unbelievable.
Wow, that's so awesome to hear, Anshul. And that actually leads me to the second question is that when you say this program has been unbelievable, how do you compare this with the other commercial program which you find in the world? Did you have any experience or have you seen uh, some of your known person going for this? How this program, HEX Intensive, how it is different from the other commercial programs?
Vineet, I gained weight in the year 90, post 95. That was initial days of starting up my new business. For a first generation entrepreneur. I did my studies. I had the diploma from IIT Delhi in entrepreneurship management. Till that point, everything was okay. The moment I slipped into that business world, everything was like upside down, no routines, workload was there, some stress level was very high. At times it was late nights, no early morning physical activity. For last, that is 96, 95. Post that my weight keep on increasing and every 4, 5 years gap, it just pinged one single day when you touch three digits and oh, what is happening? Kuch to karna hoga. And I have tried multiple occasions losing weight, putting up a yoga teacher in house, going to a gym, visiting a dietitian. What else I have not done? I have done extremely everything. All sort of dietings I have done. All sort of. I have even paid dietitian to a level of 10,000 rupees per sitting. But that is till the moment you took whatever she advised. The moment it is not there, you are back to square one. You hit a gym the moment you take gym, because when I am saying that it started off at 95, today is 2021. So that is almost 26 years. You don't have equal physical level of your body, which I was something else in 95, something else in 2000, 2005 it changed. My physical appearance also changed, and my stamina going for a physical exercise also changes. But what my gym trainer told me in 2010 doesn't work in 2021. They don't tell you what to eat. They just tell you do 20 squats, do 100 kgs, 50 pull-ups, you run for a treadmill at a speed of 9 for half an hour, and that is it. But the moment you are 3 years old, it is it is just gone, the entire learning process has gone down the drain. So that was something which strike. I have to find something which is sustainable. Even before joining this program, I visited two dietitians. I was just saying there that I have some problems. I have a BP issue for last so many years. I want to be fit. I don't want to be on medicines anymore. I have small kids to look after. I have aged parents to look after. And you would not believe that I visited two dietitians. I paid them in thousands. And what summary they have given me, it was totally opposite. And one was saying that you have to have this, and the other was saying you have to have this. Then whom should I believe? That was such a confusion that I stopped visiting them, and I think that I have to do something which is quite different, which is quite different in sense that it is something which has to be natural. It has to come without taking supplements. Now you go, half of your Facebook friends will pop up, yaar, wo Herbal Life. You would not believe I purchased Herbal Life almost 10 times in last 12 years. के शुरू करते हैं यार. But the moment you buy these Herbalife product protein shakes from these guys, they just vanished. There is no counseling involved. There is no hand holding involved. So that kind of thing comes up. But yes, now having experienced this, to best of my knowledge, I haven't experienced such thing. I was not even expecting that this would be the result. And I would be like talking to you post 70 days of this program, and I am almost 12, 13 kgs down, and my energy level is so, I have so much glow in my face. People have started recognizing me. But not mixed experience, only one experience. Unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable.
That's so awesome to hear, Anshul, and really the kind of sharing that you are doing, it is so practical and it is so real. It happens to us in day-to-day world. I do remember in your goal sheet when we were sitting across and you had filled in 5 kg weight loss.
Yes.
Because, and now you are saying you have lost almost 12 plus kg in last 10 weeks. How does that sound?
Vinny, I am repeatedly saying again and again, it is unbelievable. You cannot also believe that. Is it believable? No, nobody on this earth can believe that I have lost. I mean, my cousins don't believe, my friends don't believe. एक ने कहा कि यार, you should stop eating. तू बहुत ज्यादा खा रहा है, नहीं होगा weight loss. दूसरे ने कहा कि नहीं यार, you should stop walking. तेरी डाइट ऑलरेडी कम हो गई है, तू बहुत ज्यादा वॉक कर रहा है, you'll crash one day. और तेरे को ना एम्बुलेंस बुलानी पड़ेगी. कोरोना डेज आर हियर. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. इस समय हॉस्पिटल भी नहीं जा सकता, डॉक्टर भी नहीं जा सकता. एवरीबडी वाज लाइक आफ्टर माय लाइफ, यार तू है ना, ये तू जो कर रहा है, ये देख ले एक बार, थोड़ा सा तूने डाइट थोड़ी सी अपनी मैनेज कर ले. अभी अभी ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है, प्रोग्राम बाद में देखेंगे. तो अगेन unbelievable, because when I started, that first initiation of starting morning walk again was 7th of March. 20 or 21st of March, I attend your masterclass, right?
Right.
6th of April, I was back from my vacations. 5th night, I touched down. 6th morning, your first mail, I think that it was in my inbox. It started off on 6th. And by the time I have given you my measurements and my weight, it was 105. I started off losing weight from 107. It was almost 1 month. Exactly 1 month. 7th of March, it was 107. 6th or 7th of April, you asked for measurement, it was 105. So I would believe, I was in a notion that how much maximum can I shed? 2 kg हुआ है 1 महीने में पूरा. ये 2 महीने और काम कर लेंगे तो 70 दिन में और 5 किलो. तो very realistically and very it was very you can say orthodox figures. Not एक तो हो गया कि भाई you have to think above the moon, आप बोल दोगे यार 15 किलो कम करेंगे, और वो practically possible नहीं है. तो मेरे लिए 5 किलो भी उस समय ऐसा दिख रहा था कि यार देख ये ऐसा है. तो जब आपने कहा कि what goal you have to achieve, so that has to be realistic and very orthodox figures has to be there. I intentionally said 5 kgs because that was from the core of my heart, right? I don't believe that losing more than 2 kgs a month is possible. Again, unbelievable. So that is something I will I will just keep on repeating this, that 2 kgs a month is something which everybody on this earth suggests, every trainer, every dietitian. You should not go beyond this. आपको ये करना है, आपको चपाती खानी है, आपको घी नहीं लगाना है, आपको चावल छोड़ना है, आपको 2 टाइम चपाती खानी है, आपको मल्टीग्रेन खाना है. और हमने सब कुछ खाया. मेरे ख्याल से my diet is almost 3 times again. So that was the reason that I did 5 kgs of target, and I think that I ended up having 12 kgs of weight. Now, 70th day, sign of post is 93.2 kgs, right? 93.2 kgs. That is almost 12 kgs.
Right, right. Now, one more thing is that people who lose weight, most of the time, their feedback is that they also lose the energy. Actually, they
Yes.
feel very dull. They feel lethargic, and most of the kind of comments they get from the friends is that you've lost the sheen, you've lost the glow on your face. Can you share what has been your experience?
When you lose weight, it is a common notion that you lose energy.
Absolutely.
When you lose weight by two things. Either your diet is reduced, your physical activity is increased, right?
Right.
Now, this program is all about eating more. So it is totally opposite. Sometimes in the initial days, I was like feeling when the third, fourth day, fifth day was initial fifth day, यार ये पता नहीं डाइट प्रोग्राम कब शुरू होगा. तो ये तो लूज वेट करने की बात ही नहीं हो रही. यू आर नॉट इवन आस्किंग टू रिड्यूस समथिंग. चाय भी चल रही है, खाना भी चल रहा है, नाश्ता भी चल रहा है, और हम जो है रिलीजियसली वो फॉलो भी कर रहे हैं कि भाई आप जिस दिन में आप बार बार ये भी कहते थे, इफ यू रिमेंबर एवरी टाइम यू से टिल द टाइम आई एम नॉट आस्किंग डोंट लीव एनीथिंग. तो हमारे और भी ज्यादा वो लगती थी कि यार कुछ ना कुछ तो चमत्कारी होगा. जो आप एक दिन आओगे और ये प्रोग्राम शुरू हुआ है 6 अप्रैल को और आप 5 मई को आओगे कि बस अब ये गिली गिली छू होगा और अगले दिन सवेरे हमारा वेट कम हो जाएगा. तो आई वाज लाइक दैट दैट फीलिंग वाज कमिंग इनटू माय माइंड, यार पता नहीं कैसे होगा क्या होगा. तो वो दिन और आज का दिन अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि एनर्जी लेवल मेरी, आई वॉज वेरी हेजिटेंट टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. और एक एनर्जी लेवल का मैं आपको एग्जांपल आज देता हूँ. टुडे बिफोर गिविंग यू दिस इंटरव्यू, मेरी वाइफ ने कहा कि मुझे कुछ शॉपिंग करनी है. तो देर इज अ प्लेस रिलायंस स्टोर नियर आवर हाउस. तो मैंने कहा देख यार मेरा तो है ना ड्राइव पे जाने का मन कर रहा है. तो बोली इस समय ड्राइव पे जाने का क्या मन कर रहा है. तो मैंने कहा मैंने है ना पुरानी अपनी सैंडोज निकाली, मैंने 2016 में खरीदी. इट वॉज अ जॉकी सैंडो, जो स्लीवलेस टी शर्ट. और आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट इससे पहले मैंने ये सब चीजें काम शायद कॉलेज डेज में करे थे, क्योंकि उसके बाद जैसे बिजनेस स्टार्ट हुआ था तो वो मेरा वेट और मेरी सैंडोज को कहीं कंपैरिजन में नहीं था. बट माई एक्सपीरियंस टुडे वाज दैट आई वाज इन माय सैंडोज पुटिंग ऑन माय एविएटर एंड आई वाज, मैं तेरे को ड्रॉप कर दूंगा और उसके बाद मैं हाईवे पे जो है गाड़ी चलाऊंगा और उसके बाद जब तेरे को मेरे को बुलाना हो जस्ट गिव मी अ कॉल प्रायर 10 मिनट्स प्रायर टू दैट. It will take one hour, 1.5 hours. And I was like driving my car, remembering my college days. You can just feel that energy level. I can't even think of doing this in front of my house. And I have been roaming around the entire city today.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that is listening to this is really great. So when you also started this program, your energy vitality score was, I think, 2, right?
So yeah, yeah, yeah.
Which is a process that we measure how much day-to-day energy you have. And now, in once you are graduating, it's how much right now?
It's 8.
It is 8, which is
I think that 8 again is something which consciously I put के यार अगर तू सारा कुछ कर देगा तो 10 out of 10 हो जाएगा, which is quite unbelievable. कहीं सामने वाला ये नहीं सोचे कि यार ये स्पॉन्सर्ड आदमी है तो इसको है ना 10/10 दे दे. तो कई बार इफ यू रिमेम्बर कि वही कोई बोलता है कि भाई कभी फीडबैक कॉल आती है कि सर वो फीडबैक कॉल देना. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है यार मैं 10 बोले सर 10 मत देना. बोले क्यों. मैंने कहा भाई 10 क्यों नहीं देना. बोले नहीं सर वो आप अगर 10 दोगे ना तो दे विल फील लाइक कि वो ना स्पॉन्सर्ड है, हमने आपको कोई ना कोई फेवर करा होगा और आपने 10 आउट ऑफ 10 दे दिया. तो मैंने कहा भैया मेरे को बता दो कितना देना. तो अब मैं वो वाइटलिटी स्कोर इसलिए 8 बोलता हूँ कि मैं 10 बोलूंगा तो इट वुड लुक समवॉट आर्टिफिशियल कि भाई ये स्पॉन्सर्ड है.
I'm sure you have been so honest, so down to earth. Let's also talk about your BP pills, right? I think you've been taking them for long. You have been.
Yeah, that is something.
Joining this program. Can you
Yeah.
talk about that?
This subject is very touchy, right? Now you have hit the nail, because if you remember when first one-on-one call or first I think that it was in between the master class or I don't remember, I was not in this course for losing weight. If you remember that I initiated this dialogue with you that I want to get pills of this because I have pills in my purse, I have pills in my house, I have pills near a drawer in near my bed, at my dining table, in my car, at my office table, in my traveling kit. So that is something which I can't leave. I have been taking pills for almost now 20, 21 years. It started in 1999. And that was something कि I just keep on thinking कि यार ऐसा हमने क्या करा है? Somebody, if I visit doctor, he said that बेटा it may be hereditary हो सकता है, आपकी मदर को भी है. उनकी बातों से ऐसे लगता है कि मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मुझे तो खानदानी बीमारी लगी हुई है और वो कंटिन्यू होती रहेगी. तो बहुत डिप्रेशन होता था उस बात से. यस, दैट इज ट्रू. माय मदर इज अ पेशेंट. शी हैज बीपी. My father is also a BP patient, but going by this HEX program, you would believe that no such disease is hereditary. Now that my pill, almost after gap of 70 days, it has reduced to 50%. I'm taking it alternate day. That also, just as a caution program, because of my physician suggestion that since it is a very long drawn problem with you, you cannot just get rid of it immediately. So that body takes time to get accustomed. My BP levels have been quite normal for last 40 days, I can say. And but on a safer side, I'll be taking it as per my physician's advice. I am taking it on a alternate day, and I think that in next he has asked me for 45 days, and he would be completely taking it off from my schedule by 90 days. So coming 90 days, I think I will be done away with the pills from every nook and corner of my house, car, office, everywhere.
I very clearly remember this, Anshul. When we were talking, I think the first call you did say that you want to travel, but you want to travel without pills. You
Yes,
say
yes,
that
yes.
I do
Yes.
not want to carry this pill box with me ever. So you're sharing almost half of the pills are gone, and most probably it will be gone very soon. So Anshul, tell us, you've actually shared about all the changes this program has brought to your life. But I do want to know, what is the ripple effect it has brought to your loved ones, to your family, especially people? Did it happen that your friends saw you, let's say, after 2 months' time? How was their reaction? What is the ripple effect it has brought to your close circles? How are they reacting? What has been their reactions?
One word again, unbelievable. That is something which is synonymous to my name these days. People
Right.
look at me and they just, uh, as the flow of the wind, carry on. Then again say that, "Arey yaar, ye to Anshul hai." So that kind of feeling. You remember if you have gone through this process yourself. The first recognition, because अभी दूसरा disadvantage भी है. Half of the time your mask is put up, right? तो वेट जो है वो यहाँ से दिखाई देता है.
Correct.
तो अभी मास्क नहीं है, तो वो एक मेरे लिए डिसएडवांटेज है कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत करी है और इतना वेट लूज करा है, बट पीपल, वो रिकॉग्निशन जब होता है जब आप बिना मास्क के होते हो.
Correct.
तो यस, पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड रिकॉग्नाइजिंग. टू, आई एम मोर एनर्जेटिक इन द वे दैट माय ऑफिस, आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी लेजी इन सेंस पोस्ट लंच कभी जाना है नहीं जाना, हमेशा मीटिंग्स पोस्टपोन करनी है या तू कर ले. नाउ आई एम वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट. मैं आज तक कभी जीवन में 8:15 नहीं नहाया था. मैं आजकल 8:30 नहा धो के तैयार हो जाता हूँ. और मैं ऑफिस कभी 12 बजे नहीं गया था, तो फॉर दैट मैटर्स मैं ऑफिस भी आजकल 10, सवा 10, 10:30 बजे पहुंच जाता हूँ. बट लिविंग अपार्ट ऑल दोस थिंग्स, चेंजेस आर देयर, not from the perspective of friends or people you are visiting. You can see clear cut changes in your day to day life.
True. But what about the change in the wardrobe and change in the clothes? Does that
You have just hit the nail on the coffin. That is very, very problematic. And this is only one thing which I go into deep depression. You don't ask me these questions because my eyes will roll out with tears.
why
You
why
cannot,
so?
you cannot believe, sir. Viniji, my wardrobe is just into tears. It has
Oh,
gone down. You cannot call a wardrobe now. I have borrowed clothes from my brother-in-law,
Okay.
from my younger brother.
Okay.
उसने मेरे को अभी कल ही बोला कि भाई तू मेरे कपड़े मांग रहा है, मुझे शायद तेरे कपड़ों की जरूरत पड़ेगी। तो मैंने कहा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों है? कह रहा यार मेरा वेट बढ़ गया पिछले लॉकडाउन में। मैंने कहा यार मेरा इतना घट गया है कि मैं अभी कपड़े में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन क्लोथ्स दिस टाइम। I know that my journey is someplace else. I
Correct.
have to go, I have to carry on this journey.
Right.
I have not reached to a point where I am satisfied with my myself. I want to be what I used to be in 95. I have still touched down somewhat 2005, 2006. So
Right.
my journey for 10 years is still left.
Right. Right. So picking up on that topic, what is your next goal? You've lost almost more than 12 kg, kind of shot up your energy. Everything was good. But tell me, Anshul, what is your next goal?
Next goal is to be healthy, first and foremost. Second goal is to live without pills. And third goal is I still want the way I'm going for last 2 months. I want to carry on that legacy because my taste bud have changed. I don't feel like having. I used to be a very addictive for pan masala. This is something which I don't want to share publicly, but now that has gone. That all that crap कि वो क्या सुनेगा क्या बोलेगा, मेरी अब दो चीजें खराब भी अगर किसी को पता चलती हैं, बट मेरे में इतनी अच्छाइयां आ गई हैं कि वो सब ओवर पावर कर देगी। दैट काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस हैव नाउ started coming to my mind, right? I used to be addictive for a pan masala for a period not 20 years, for a period not 25 years, not 30 years. I was gifted a pan masala box by my principal on my farewell in 1993. You can imagine what kind of thing my addiction was. This is almost 93. Now you'll be seeing 2023. It is almost uh, 40 years,
Right.
38 years.
Yes.
And you would not believe, I carry a pan masala for last 10 to 15 days almost daily like a ritual, and I am not consuming it. I keep it with myself just to check my level of resistance. A person for a person who is having a habit for 35 years for a thing which is not good for health. I used to have 5 or 6 or 7 of these pouches in a day,
Oh,
and now that has been not reduced. That is zero. So that would be taking my returns to next level, right?
absolutely. Absolutely. And I think that goes again with your program experience, which is unbelievable.
Because my taste buds have changed. I used to be an avid drinker. I should not say that, but I have to be very candid. And I was a not keen, I was not a chain smoker, but yes, I used to smoke while having a drinks. That has considerably gone down. For last 2 months, the last time I had was I just shared with you. That was the last time. I'm not saying that I'll become a saint. I'm not saying that I'll become a monk, but everything is good as per the health, as per your choice. When I will be fit, I think that nobody on earth can stop me having anything. It is not that I'm saying that I'll start smoking, I'll start drinking almost daily when I am a perfect health. That is not the case.
True.
But when you just start following your health, your body, what is good, what is bad, these things automatically fade out. You don't even have a conscious to taste. नहीं यार छोड़, मेरे दोस्त का भी बर्थडे था, everybody was there, I was there. नहीं यार अभी मेरा तो प्रोग्राम चालू है। एंड वो अब वो ना एम्प्टी योर कप, सब कुछ छोड़ दो, सब कुछ ये कर दो ये कर दो, तो बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ज्ञान बांटते हैं, बट वन थिंग इज दैट आई हैव इनकलकेट good habits, good habit formation. In fact, my entire psychologically, my head is upside down. Now only healthy things are into it. I've stopped seeing things in the way I used to see those hotels, restaurants. मिलने से कोई नहीं रुक सकता,
Correct.
लेकिन अपने आप से आपको ये कमिटमेंट करनी पड़ेगी कि आपको ठीक रहने के लिए ठीक खाना है, ठीक रहना है और ठीक सोना है.
Absolutely. There have been so many system and process in the program that we have, Anshul. Do you have any particular one that you like the most?
One thing is that you take care of each and everybody like your child. I think that human body is such, everybody has his own preferences. I might have lose more weight. Somebody has, must have lose less weight, but he might have more energy level than me. Vitality score is different for everybody, for every other individual. The most important part of this program is that you have a support system in place where you can be reached out anytime. Plus, each and every detailing of your students is personally being looked after, and that is something which no program can do. Even a dietitian, when you visit a dietitian again, she would ask for a flow chart. Okay, what is a flow chart I have given to you? That means that it is different for everybody. उसको खुद ही नहीं पता कि उसने मेरे को क्या खाने के लिए बोला था. एक 105-7 किलो का आदमी किसी की डाइटिशियन के उस पर जाता है, वो कहते हैं फ्लो चार्ट लेके आओ. मैंने कहा मैं तो भूल गया फ्लो चार्ट में. बोले नहीं, वो मेरे को देखना है कि आपको मैंने क्या क्या चीज शुरू कराई थी. तो दैट, अब आपको किसी को अगर आर्टिफिशियल बोलना है तो आपको सोचना पड़ेगा ना. बट योर पर्सनल अटेंशन टू ईच एंड एवरीबडी, दैट पैल प्रोग्राम, व्हाट यू हैव inculcate in this entire stretch, that you have a friend, and now that friend is a brother from a different mother. We are just we just have a bond like that. यार मेरे को उसकी चिंता होती है कि भाई वो परेशान होगा तो मेरे को परेशान होगी. वी आर डेस्परेट टू meet each other. Even for entire group, I am desperate to meet each and everybody. I just very open in saying that everybody is welcome in Gurgaon. Whosoever visits Gurgaon is welcome to my home. That is something which this program has given me. You have invested personally. That EFT program is very nice. That goodie box concept, it keeps on tickling. कुछ गड़बड़ होएगा तो चल यार डब्बा खोल, कुछ गड़बड़ होगा डब्बा खोल. Every morning when you see the calendar, that red crosses on the calendar is like they keeps on haunting कि भैया कुछ गलत नहीं करना है. You have to follow religiously. I think that this entire experience is somewhat different. You can't even you can only experience it once you are part of it. Seeing what is it and listening what is it, you can't feel the beauty, you can't feel the power, you can't feel the intensity, you can't feel the depth of what it is all about. You have to have experienced each thing personally. Your, what do you call that, goal sheet, right? uh, you have to go for now that is something which nobody says. आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, आपको कोई वो कहेगा डॉक्टर साहब बहुत ज्यादा तबीयत खराब है, बहुत ज्यादा परेशानी है, यानी से यार ये तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, ये वाली दवाई खाओ, ये वाली दवाई खाओ, तो 4 दिन बाद ठीक हो जाएगा. फिर क्या करेगा? तो नहीं डॉक्टर साहब दोबारा मिलूंगा जब दोबारा बीमार हो जाऊंगा. दैट काइंड ऑफ तो अगर अगर डॉक्टर ये कह दे कि यार तू 4 दिन में ठीक हो गया, उसके बाद तेरे को फिर एक इनाम मिलने वाला है और वो इनाम तेरे को ही देना है, तो आप ये समझो कि वो बंदा 2.5 दिन में ठीक हो जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट, मैं देसी बात, आई एम सेइंग इट इन हिंदी वेरी, मतलब लोकली और वेरी देसी स्टाइल में. इफ यू विजिट अ डॉक्टर, ही सेज यार कम बैक आफ्टर 4 days, टेक सो मेनी पिल्स और हैव वन थिंग इन योर माइंड कि जब तू ठीक होगा तो ये करेगा. डॉक्टर मैं तो जाके ना बस मेरे को जो है हरिद्वार जाना है, या मुझे तो मसूरी में जाना है, या मुझे तो ऊटी में जाना है, कोडेकनाल जाना है, बस ठीक है. तो एक बार फटाफट ठीक हो गया तेरी, मैं जो है ना टिकट बनवाता हूँ. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ अप्रोच अगर होगी तो वो 4 दिन की दवाई देगा और बंदा 2 दिन में ठीक हो गया, आएगा डॉक्टर साहब कोडेकनाल की टिकट दे दो, मैं तो जाने वाला हूँ. तो हम तो ये एक्सपेक्ट करें भाई आप ही ने हमारे को रिजल्ट बताया, आप ही ने कहा कि भाई तुम ये करोगे तो तुम जाओगे. अब ये तो दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम, दैट यू आर सो मच इन्वेस्टेड. वो इन्वेस्टेड वर्ड बड़ा कमर्शियल लगता है. यू आर सो मच डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स योर स्टूडेंट. It is not invested. Invested is something commercial, right? You are dedicated, you follow each other. किसी को तकलीफ हुई, I have seen those experience के भाई 1-to-1 call होती है, you are on board कि भैया क्या परेशानी है, something is missing, either something missing on your end or हो सकता है कि something is missing on Vinny's end, so we'll both meet and rectify that kind of thing. Very nice, very nice.
That was awesome, Anshul, and that actually brings us to the last point. On a scale of 1 to 10, wherein 10 is
Oh.
the highest,
1 to 10.
how much do you rate this program? If you have to, if there is someone who is watching it first time and he is still very curious or not very sure about this program, how much you rate this program and why?
Should I say without thinking, you are asking me to rate this program 1 to 10. Again, whosoever is listening to this program, it is not sponsored. I am a very hard guy. I would not utter a single word if somebody pushes me to say, yaar, tu aisa bol dena. But believe me, guys, rating 1 to 10 would be unjustified for this program. I would rate it 100. It is not 1 to 10. It is 100. You guys will experience something out of the world. You guys, if you invest, it is not investing. It is not investing. Investing is, again, I am saying that it is a commercial word. It is a dedication toward yourself. 1 to 10 is something I have told you about 5 things. Everything is something different from other world. Everything. File program. He is a stranger. After a gap of 2 weeks, he is like your brother. He advises you. He holds your hand. अरे भैया, do not slip. दादा, slip ना हो ना. मैं बैठा हूँ पीछे. नहीं, रात को आपको लगेगा डिप्रेशन आएगा, तो आप you just ping a message to your pal. Pal is your hand holder next to Vinith. Then again there is a coordinator, moderator. वहां थोड़ी सी आपको कहीं समझने में दिक्कत होती है. This program is beautifully designed. So it would be unjustified to rate this program 1 to 10. I would rate it 1 to 100 because I have seen results. My thinking of rating this program was 0 before I joined it. Because you would not experience what I have gone through. You would not believe what I have gone through. That is why during this entire intro, I am repeating these words: unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable.
Thank you so much for your sharing, Anshul. You spoke from your heart. I personally enjoyed listening to you, and I'm sure so many of new students would be watching that they would feel inspired. I'm so happy that you were part of the community. I think you have been a very serious student, Anshul, completely dedicated, and you are now becoming a role model and helping me in my mission to impact 10,000 people's life. I cannot tell you
It would be pleasure
how much happy I am, and I do wish I would attract a lot more Anshuls in the next batches, in the new batches, and
all the best wishes.